What's going on, everybody? I'm back at it with another video. I got some parts in, shipped in today. They were supposed to be here like in a week, but fast shipping. So these are it. They're like splitters, canards, or whatnot for the car. They go right on the rear bumper. They go on the car just like this. I'm thinking about either wrapping it carbon fiber, orange, or just keeping them gloss. It kind of flows when it's black with the back, the rear splitter. I'm not too sure what that thing's called. Forgot the name. And this is it wrapped orange. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep them orange? Just keep it gloss black? Or should I wrap them carbon fiber? This is real carbon. If I wrap them carbon fiber, it might flow with the top here. But I think it stands out way too much in my opinion. That's how it looks wrapped in orange. Let's go back over here. That is how it looks out of the box. And that is OEM. So I am liking these. These are honestly really inexpensive. They're like $100. You get the real carbon fiber ones and they're like, I don't know, I want to say like $400, $300. So I just get these. They're $100. I'm gonna 3M tape them on here too, so I don't want to spend too much money, because then that'll just be $400 or $500 flying on the street, and they're done after that. Orange, you see that?
Yeah.
Or
the black.
The black, huh?
The black, not the orange.
Orange stands out way too much.
I don't like it.
About wrapping, honestly, in my opinion, take it right off and wrap it any color you want. This is actually, I wrapped this thing pretty good. But yeah, look at that. Not supposed to rip it off that hard, especially on a car, but I don't really care about these, so yeah. These are the shirts I've been making, guys. This is the back design. If you guys want one of these shirts, comment down below. Let me know and I'll get it to you as soon as possible. Guys, that's the video. Let me know what you guys think. Orange, carbon fiber, just leave it as is. And I'm also going to be making another video pretty soon on update on the car, what I've done to it. And as you can see, there's new rims and the car is completely orange. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.